This week's long run. Supposed to have been yesterday, but it was way too much ice around yesterday, so I decided it wasn't safe. Today's not too bad. There is a lot of white stuff around in places. Just have to be a bit careful. So we're out to do about 15k today. We come out of Henllys, doing the reverse route to what I did the 13k last week, plus a couple more. So we're out of Henllys, through the canal. We're now on this top lane above Thornhill and Upper Cwmbran. In fact, I've just passed the highest point. You better watch going down here, it's a bit white. And we're heading now down towards the bush. From there we're gonna drop down to 5 blocks, cross to the river, all the way down the river. I'm gonna walk this bit, all the way down the river to the boating lake, back up through Oakfield, up Incline Lane to Coed Eva, back through Glanreed, Nature Reserve, and coffee time. Right, let's get on with it then. Oh, it's a serious icy patch. Don't look on that. End up on your ass. Fucking mountain is looking absolutely awesome today. Maybe I should have gone up there running. Looks absolutely brilliant up there. I do like this time of year. Dry, cold, sunny. Can't beat it. Right, that's Upper Cwmbran. Start heading down to 2 locks now. Downhill for a bit. There we are then, 5 blocks. The canal, just crossing the canal. Head now down to Avondale Road, cross the busy road, and onto the river. I'm glad to see the Met Office got the weather right. Not. They got the dry bit right. They got the cold bit right. They did say there was going to be wind. So I put my coat on, thinking I'd need it. There isn't any wind at all. So I think when I get down the river, this coat might be coming off. Temperature wise, I feel okay. I only put it on because I was expecting the wind chill factor not to be, obviously. Right, let's get on with it. Right, we're on to the river section. About 7.5k in. Another 7.5 to go. Just coming down through Crossy Killiog, cross over the Woodland Road shortly. So a little bit of a road section to get across there. No more hills until I get back to Coed Eva. And then we'll start to climb back up the Henllys. I'm feeling good, feeling good. Okay, just made an executive decision to run down this side of the river, not that side of the river. If I did that side, it means running through Lanraven to the boat lake. If I do this side, I can do the park run route to the boat lake. Means I can stay away from roads more and run down the railway line, side of the railway, not on the railway line, down the side of the railway line to the boat lake before we cross over into Oakfield. Starting to feel it in my hips now and my groin a bit. Never mind, last run here, don't think I can get a chance in London this week. So my next run will be in Abu Dhabi, probably on Thursday. Gotta be a bit careful here. Bloody tree roots everywhere. And my next long run, I should be back in the desert. Al-Wathba is calling. Right, let's get this finished. Come on. Here we are then. Running down the side of the railway line. Railway line. We're just over 10k in. So basically a park run to go. Albeit, a park run is going to be all uphill. I'm sure this park run's like that. I know ours in Cwmbran isn't, that's for sure. In fact, this is part of the route. Anyway, let's get down to the railway bridge, cross the railway, and we're back on the roads. These from a kid. I've got on my arse on it in the winter. It's all metal and it used to get slippery as hell. Although this looks to be now non-slip. It never used to be in the 70s. I don't think we worried about health and safety much then. Here we are, across the railway line. I don't know if you can see that. Right then, 5k now. Shortly, it's all going to be uphill. Anyway, let's get on and do this.